I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every minute, every door that closed on me let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade led me to your arms that night. You were the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere. Built up walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed, and every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I'd met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. The time was writing something better than I knew. Every broken moment was building me up. Yeah, you were worth the wait. Even on the nights I couldn't see what was waiting there for me. You were the way. There was a mile marker bending in the heat, sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon. Then something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. Didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. It found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted you, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe it followed every turn you made till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like it knew your name. Says it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through, lit up a place you thought you always knew. bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air, and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked, silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret. Maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind.
Autumn carries the fragrance of fate. It's strong enough to maintain time. Walking past the old bakery, the morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. Trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but can't help me through